Non-Mendelian patterns of inheritance, describing the location of genes in chromosomes, explain the different patterns of non-Mendelian inheritance and describe the molecular structure of DNA. Gregor Mendel's principles form the base of understanding of heredity and variation. Walter Sutton and Theodore Boveri became popular because they found the best evidence that an inherited trait is determined by chromosomes. Chromosomes theory of inheritance explained the genes are in the chromosomes.
Oh, amazing.
And complete dominance. A heterozygote shows a phenotype that is intermediate between the two homozygous phenotypes. Neither allele is dominant over the other. This is the Punnett square of incomplete dominance, and I will draw the red 4 o'clock flower. And I will draw also the white 4 o'clock flower.
Go.
And I will show you how to cross the Punnett square of 4 o'clock flower to be a white 4 o'clock flower. RR WW RW 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 RW, and this is the Punnett square of incomplete dominance.
Codominance, another pattern of inheritance, is codominance. This results when one allele is not dominant over the other. The resulting heterozygote exhibit the traits of both parents.
Multiple allele. Sometimes, even if only 2 alleles control the trait, there may actually be more than 2 types of alleles available. This will also lead to more than 2 phenotypes expressed. The mother's blood type is A, and the father's blood type is A. The possible blood type of child is also A. The mother's blood type is B, and the father's blood type is A. The possible blood type of child is is AB. The mother's blood type is AB, and the father's blood type is B. The possible blood type of child is also B. The mother's blood type is O, and the father's blood type is O. The possible blood type of child is also O. And the O blood type is we call the universal blood type. And this is the multiple allele. Sex-linked genes. Genes located in the X chromosomes are called X-linked genes. Genes on the Y chromosomes are called Y-linked genes. An example of an X-linked trait in humans is hemophilia. Sex-linked genes. The XX chromosomes is a female, and the XY chromosomes is a male. And I will show you how to cross the Punnett square of 6 linked genes and how 6 humans is determined. XX, XX, and XY, and XY. 2 female and 2 male. And this is the Punnett square of 6 linked genes. Sex influence traits. A phenotypic characteristic or traits such as male patterns, baldness, that is expressed differently in males and females. Sex-limited traits. Sex-limited traits are generally autosomal, which means they are not found on the X